Kudos to everyone that watched the last week episode. If you guys are in profits. Before we move on, let's look at the news event for last week. Yeah. So as of Tuesday, ISM was positive to dollar. Right. This was positive. The job openings was positive, although it was reversed. Uh, the non-farm employment change, I think it was negative, but still, the unemployment claim was positive. The NFP was still positive, 256K, although it was reversed, but still, the unemployment rate still, it was favorable to the dollar, so it was positive for dollar because we had the previous was 4.2, the forecast was 4.2, and it came out 4.1, so that's good for dollar. So that's why dollar still very bullish on the technical analysis. You get so. Remember, on the last video, we talked about this guy, this fair value gap. So price is still at the weekly fair value gap. So nothing too serious, nothing special, because we're still on the weekly fair value gap. So this from here, yeah. So price has been giving us high highs because it's low, high, low, high, low, high, stuff like that, right? So there was a fair value gap. The price did a deep retracement and tapped on it before pushing to the upside. So yeah, so that's it for DXY. I don't have anything much to say on DXY because price is still very bullish until I see a change of character. Means price take out a significant low for me to say, okay, now this there's a change of character. Maybe like this low or this low, right? This is a 1 hour low. Remember, maybe we can use like a 4 hours low. You get so yeah. So 4 hours low the days. So they tell you like now we now have it like a change of character on the 4 hours. Now let's switch to gold. Remember, if you look at this, I drew this stuff last week. Yeah, I said I was expecting price to come to this zone, and imagine you can see price just came and tapped and left there immediately. Like, come on, these guys are so smart. They're just buying the dip. You can see how price dipped, right? And they left immediately. Now they came for this fair value gap, tapped on this week to week pace, right? And then they moved right to the upside. So price has been bullish, though the candle is like very, very, very choppy, but this is a structural range. Right, maybe still a liquidity. I don't know because all these things are just gathering liquidity on both sides, on the sales and the buys. So you have buy side liquidity and sell side, blah blah blah. So yeah, now price has taken out liquidity here like multiple lows, yo, on the 30 minutes. So you can see a sweep. So remember on the video, last video, I said I'm not trading now because of the I don't. You can see how the candles are very, very, very choppy. Imagine you being in profit. Let's say you're holding your profit here or here. Just see how one candle just sweep you, take you out. So even here, you even say, okay, yeah, you save here. So that's it for gold. Um, like I said, we are on a structural range, right? So I don't know if price is going to take out like the whole range or just maybe continue to buy. So for next week, probably I'll be looking for a new break of structure. Maybe if price breaks this high, then obviously I'll be looking for the other block that broke this high. So let's say we have another block here, right? Because I don't see any clean other block here because price has mitigated all their losses from this range. So I'll be looking at a new other block forming this side here, right? And I need this side to be broken for price to break this high, right? Before taking any buy. Do you get? Else, remember what makes you a good trader is the ability for you to change bias. I am not again. I'm not. I'm not with the trend. I'm with peeps. Do you get? I'm not looking for price must be bullish before I take myself or team bearish. No, I'm team peeps. Give me the peeps and let me make my money. It's as easy as that. So obviously, I'm looking for price to take out this. Right. Remember my strategy. Give me a liquidity. Right. Then come back. Then I'm taking my buy. Else. Same thing, same pattern on the cells. Now this is a 30 minutes low, yeah. Maybe for me to be sure for me to take a sell, I need this drawn liquidity to be taken. You get, although I will not see it on the line charts, but still on still, I need this guy to be taken before taking myself. Do you understand? Yeah. Before, yeah, before taking the sell, and also I would also like to see something like a liquidity, maybe take out this buy, this high here before selling or something like that. But at least take out liquidity before giving me a change of character. So that's it for gold, right? Because price is just choppy. And what am I seeing? Maybe on, let's go on higher time frame to see a clearer picture. Okay, now you can see how price closed this week with a bullish engulfing candle. Let's see on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, still engulfing. So maybe remember this guy here, this favorable gap that we talked about on the previous video. So price actually respected the zone, and now maybe we like I can tell that this is a continuation. Do you get, this is a continuation, not a retracement. I feel because I'm not the market maker. So yeah, that's it for gold. Um, let's go back to last 100. This guy. So everything from last week was actually did well. Last week was good. Remember this low that I said, if price comes back for this low, obviously they are taking them out. What is this? One, two, right? Plus this guy, three. So I saw like three set of buyers. So obviously those are high liquidity now. Those are liquidity resting below those low. Those are low hanging fruits. You can see how price just came here with a deep retracement oil and swipe swipe them out. Do you get? So this one low, two low, then the guy where I drew my stuff from here, this thing. So now, since price has taken the low, but I'm still not yet satisfied because this is stock and this is not 100. It's always very crazy and I'm very manipulative. Do you get? So what I want price to do by next week, at least give me like how many pips down, because those people holding their stop loss, at least they'll get like maybe 20. What is even 20 on stock market? Like 40, 50, 60, 100 pips below. So you just doing this stuff is just stop trade, right? I need you to dip more. Sell down again, then take out like the rest people holding their stop losses here, then before they buy. Do you understand? So that's what I'm looking for next week. So at least we have a consolidation, Judas swing, and manipulation. So obviously I'm waiting for continuation. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for last 100. So those of you that caught the sell, kudos to you guys. And those of you that caught the buy on gold, I'm happy for you guys. Um, BTC, I say we're going to sell because um, although you remember, I was expecting a sell on gold to that zone, and they did a sell and they left there immediately. Do you get? But still, they came to the area of interest that I was looking at. Same thing, I was expecting a sell on BTC because I was expecting a sell on gold. So obviously, I'm expecting a sell on NAS 100 because last week I said I'm expecting a sell on all of them. Gold did a retracement and they left immediately. So far, so good. We have accomplished what we wanted. NAS 100 still selling. BTC currently is at 93K. So the sell still happened. So yeah, and currently, to be honest, yeah, to be honest, BTC is one of the pair I do not like trading at all because BTC is is always very manipulative and I don't like stress. Yeah, so you can see series of BC ranging. You can see and price is just consolidating at the top. Before you know now, we just see a sweet dip, and this is BTC, so it's easier for them to just like dip and they move instantly. Because this is crypto. This is crypto now. Obviously, they can do the stuff. They can just dip. and leave there immediately. So maybe I don't know. My price, you might expect price to be at it, maybe 83K or 73K, or price might just start buying from 73 and 93. You never can tell because this is trading, so nothing is too certain. We are just predicting the market, so I don't have a say. But I just feel like you still need to have your bias. You still need to have your mindset fixed that okay, things can happen. Your bias can be wrong at any time, any day. So yeah. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, follow anything you want to do for this page to grow. And I will really, 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 really appreciate it. So thanks you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video. Stay safe. Stay blessed.